Hello, today we are going to learn about electric current. What is a electric charge? Electric charge is the physical property of matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. Types of charges. We have two types of charges, the positive and negative charges. Positive and negative commonly carried by protons and electrons respectively. Types of material according to electricity. We have three types of material: conductors, non-conductors or insulators, and semiconductors. Conductors, the material which allow the current passing through them, are called conductors. For example, all metals, copper, iron, zinc, etc. Insulators, the material which do not allow the current through them, are called non-conductors or insulators. For example, wood and rock, plastic, these are the examples for insulators. Semiconductors, the material which allow the current partially passing through them, are called semiconductors. Example, LED bulbs, light emitting diodes. Next, electric current. What is the definition of electric current? Electric current is defined as the amount of charge crossing any cross section of the conductor in 1 second. There's a formula. Electric current I is equal to electric charge per time traveled. Units for electric charge. Okay, I can continue this lesson. Some more definitions. Unit for electric current. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. It is denoted by letter A, capital A. 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second, that is equal to 1 ampere. 1 coulomb of charge, 1 ampere means 1 coulomb of charge passing through a point in a conductor in a second is known as 1 ampere. For example, in our houses, 5 amperes of current passing through the conductors. That means 5 coulombs of charge passing per second is known as 5 amperes of current. Some houses, the current having 10 amperes. That means a second at a cross section of the conductor. current measured by the device ammeter. Ammeters are connected in the circuit in series. In series. Okay. Now, potential difference. Potential difference. The work done to move a unit positive charge from one point to another point in a conductor is known as the potential difference between them, between the 2 points, that is called potential difference. Potential difference is denoted by the letter V. V is equal to work done by charge. V is equal to W by Q. It is measured in volts. The SI unit of volt, 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. That means 1 coulomb of charge moved from a point in a conductor to the another point. That is the 1 volt of potential difference between the 2 points in the conductor. The potential difference measured by the device which is called voltmeter. It is connected parallel in the circuit. From the positive charge from move unit positive charge from negative terminal to positive terminal of the battery. Volt. The definition of volt in current is equal to, if 1 joule of work is done to move 1 coulomb of positive charge from one point to another point in a conductor, then the electric potential difference those between those points is 1 volt. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. Now, Ohm's law. The potential difference between the ends of a conductor is directly proportional to the electric current passing it at a constant temperature, that is equal to V is proportional to I. It is written as V is equal to IR. R is called resistance of the conductor. Limitations of Ohm's law. Ohmic conductor. The ohmic conductor which obey the Ohm's law are called ohmic conductors. Example, all metals are the ohmic conductors like iron, copper, zinc, they are ohmic conductors. Non-ohmic conductors. The conductors which do not obey the Ohm's law are called non-ohmic conductors. For example, LED, semiconductors, electrolytes, they are all examples for non-ohmic conductors. Resistance. The resistance of a conductor is defined as the obstruction to the motion of electrons in a conductor. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. The resistance is denoted by the letter R. Ohm means if 1 ampere of electric current passes between 2 points of potential difference 1 volt, then the resistance between them said to be 1 ohm. That means 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt by 1 ampere. That means R is equal to V by A. Resistor, the material which offers resistance to the motion of electrons is called resistor. Now, multimeter. Generally, in electronic shops, uh, they have used the multimeter. Multimeter means it is the combination of three meters. That is combination of voltmeter and ammeter, and also resistance, measured the resistance, ohm meter. All are the combination of these 3 meters are combined in a multimeter. That means a multimeter is an electric measuring instrument. Those consists several measurement functions like electric current, electric voltage, electric resistance in one device. Factors affecting the resistance of a material. That factors are 4 factors. One is temperature, the second nature of material, and third one length of the conductor, fourth one area of cross section of a conductor. Okay, relation between length, area of cross section and resistance is equal to capital R is equal to L by rho into L by A, when rho is a constant called specific resistance or resistivity. Rho is a Greek letter which is indicated by the resistivity. This is dependent upon the material. Resistance in series connection. R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R is the combination of 3 resistances in series. Now, the resistance in parallel connection, we can denote it 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. That means reciprocal of the combined resistance is equal to the individual reciprocals of the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistors. That is equal to the resistors are connected in parallel. Now, today we can discussing so many definitions. I can ask questions about this lesson. Some of the definitions. Today I told some definitions and how to measure the current, volt, resistance, and some other factors. I am asking questions about on this. You have to answer the chat box. First question, I am asking first question. If you give the answer in your chat box. The first one, current. What is current? Hello students. Can you answer the question for current? How to measure the current? What is the device used to measure the current? Flow of electrons. That's very good. Flow of electrons is called, flow of electrons in a conductor is called the current. That's right. What is the device to use measure the current? Which device is used to measure the current in a conductor? Anyone? Yes, I will give you uh, clues. Voltmeter. I can express as three devices: voltmeter, ammeter, and ohm meter. Uh, Jhansi Lakshmi gives voltmeter is not correct. The correct answer, anyone? Voltmeter is not used. Yes, that is right. Ammeter. Ammeter is correct. Ammeter is the device which is measuring the current in a circuit. Very good, very good. Ammeter. How can we measure the ammeter? How to connect the ammeter? How to connect the ammeter in a circuit? We know some devices uh, you have to connect the devices in a circuit. Two types: parallel connection, or parallel connection and series connection. How to connect the ammeter? Yes, that's right. Bolimanta Jhansi Lakshmi gives the right answer. Series connection. Always ammeter is connected in a circuit series. That's right. Next, how to measure the potential difference in a circuit? How to measure? Or which device is used to measure the uh, potential difference in a circuit? Anyone? How to measure? Which device is used to measure? Clue. Which device? I can tell 3 meters: ohm meter, voltmeter, ammeter. Which is used to measure the potential difference in a circuit? Which meter, which device is used? Yes, voltmeter. Voltmeter is the right answer to measure the potential difference in a circuit. Yes. Uh, how can we connect the voltmeter in a circuit? Either series connection or parallel connection. How can you connect it? Yes, parallel. Voltmeter is always connected in a circuit parallel connection is parallel connection. That's right. Okay, very good. Now what is the definition of potential difference? Anyone any one of you? Definition of potential difference. Can I tell again? The unit positive, the work done to move unit charge from one point to another point in a circuit is called potential difference between the 2 points. What is the unit for work? What is the units used to measure the work? Yes, that's right. Joule. Joule is the units measure the work. What are the units for charge? What are the units for charge? What are the units to measure the charge? Anyone? What are the units to measure the charge? Already I told. Thinking, thinking. Charge, coulombs. Units to measure the charge, coulombs. Yes, right, very good. Next, what are the units to measure the potential difference? What are the units to measure the potential difference? Anyone? Any one of the students? Anyone? They are very important for competitive examinations. Okay. Yes. First, you have to prepare the notes for today's class. Tomorrow I will start the same time, same chapter, and I am explaining some of important questions on the electric current. Today I will conclude lesson. Okay? Thank you.